If you believe in true love, soulmates, and fairy tale endings, you might be a hopeless romantic. This type of person idealizes love, often experiencing whirlwind romances and quickly investing in relationships without assessing compatibility. Hopeless romantics tend to daydream about their perfect weddings, obsess over romantic media, and fall in love rapidly, sometimes overlooking red flags in their partners. They often prioritize their relationships above all else, putting in more effort than their partners and frequently finding themselves in short-lived romances. Despite setbacks, their optimism remains intact as they continuously search for the one, leading to a cycle of intense but brief relationships. If these traits resonate with you, there's a good chance you fit the hopeless romantic mold.